The Wenzhou Train Collision, which occurred on July 23, 2011, was one of China's most tragic railway disasters, killing 40 people and injuring nearly 200. The incident took place on the Yongtai-Wen railway line near Wenzhou in Zhejiang province. Two high-speed trains, D301 and D3115, collided on a viaduct, causing several carriages to derail and fall off the bridge. The collision was due to a combination of equipment failure and management errors. The disaster began when lightning struck the signalling system, causing it to malfunction. This fault prevented the signal from turning red, and as a result, the second train, D301, was not alerted to the presence of the first train, D3115, which had stopped on the track due to the same lightning strike. The collision occurred when D301 rear-ended the stationary train. An investigation by Chinese authorities revealed serious design flaws in the signalling equipment, manufactured by the Beijing National Railway Research and Design Institute of Signals and Communication. The faulty signal systems and lack of a proper emergency response were criticised heavily, alongside inadequate training for railway workers. The incident led to public outrage, as it exposed flaws in China's rapidly expanding high-speed rail system. In the aftermath, 54 officials were held accountable for the crash, some of whom were fired or faced administrative penalties. The investigation led to improvements in China's rail safety, with promises of better oversight, stricter safety regulations, and improved signalling equipment to prevent such disasters from happening again.